Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel. Today I have here an unboxing. This will be, I think, a quick video. So this is a package that I received from Appelboom, and here it is, the Victorinox knife with which I'm going to open this package. So this came from Appelboom, as I was saying, and let me show you what is inside. Okay, let's put this DHL package aside, and here you have an envelope, and let's take out what is here. There is something loose here, which is more of these ink swatches cards, and this is the from Wearingo. This is the ginkgo or ginkgo leaf, as the one that I have. Maybe I'll get other leaves. I have here like a card from Appelboom with a beautiful, what is that? Maybe a sailor pen, not sure. And so here is the package, and I guess by now you know what is inside. So I was talking with Joost Appelboom, the owner of the store, and I asked him if I told him that I was thinking about making the series of videos again, and he said he would send me the package, and here it is. So what is it? Sorry, this is a little hard to have room to move everything. So what we have here is the Inkvent Calendar from Diamine for 2024. And so this is interesting because we can make kind of a daily opening through the month of December. I did it already with the 2019, which was the first, and I think it was the blue calendar. Then I made it in 2021 because it was the next year, I think essentially because of the pandemic, and it was the red edition, I guess. And then I missed the two others, which is kind of stupid because I actually bought them. I purchased them for myself, and it was the 2022, the green edition, and the 2023 purple edition. So this is kind of stupid, illogical, but everything has a reason. In a way it is illogical because I don't really need more ink, but I find the calendar thing interesting, and I always think it can be interesting for the channel. I don't get that many views about the daily opening of these, but I think it's useful. Some people like it, and I find it fun. It's a lot of work, but it's fun. And I bought them hoping that I would make videos, but as I told you before, the last 2 years were really terrible to me, and I didn't have the energy or the time, or I don't know what, or motivation to make these. So I never opened this calendar, I never opened this one, and now I have this, the black edition. So I will try, because I was kindly sent this from Joost Appelboom, I will really try to make the unboxing of these, not unboxing, unboxing is today, the daily opening, the daily showing of every ink that is inside, as I did in the same model as I did the 2019 and the 2021, and that's it. It's kind of an announcement, and I will do it. So I think we'll meet from 1 to 20 to the from the 1st to 25th December every day, just to show you the inks inside the Inkvent calendar. Meanwhile, I just want to say that I didn't open this. You can see all the doors are still sealed. And I was thinking, I don't really need this ink right now. I don't really need it this moment to do anything special, because I have a lot of ink around me, too much ink. And someday I would try to talk about my ink reduction plans, which are, there is another YouTuber, Wasky Squirrel, that is doing the same thing. I have a slightly different approach, but my approach is clearly failing instead of his. But what I was saying is that I would like to do something with these calendars. I think it would be fun. It doesn't really make any sense to make now the daily opening of these, because 2 years have passed through since the green and 1 since the purple, and now we have the black. But maybe that could be something interesting to do with all those inks. I don't know if you have an idea for some content. I have a friend that told me to do something that I find is a little crazy with these. Maybe I'll try it, and it may involve mixing some inks, so it can be kind of fun. I'm not sure. If you have any ideas what I can do for the channel with the other 2 Inkvent calendars, because I have them and one day I will use them to ink my pens, but meanwhile maybe there's something that I can do for the channel. And in December we will meet every day from the 1st to 25th to show you the inks here. So again, thank you so much, Joost, for sending me these. I will leave the link for the store below on the description, and I hope to meet you soon here on the channel. Bye.